This is the electric eel wheel fold box. The final samples just came in and I wanted to show you what's included. There's the foot pedal, power brick, cord for the power brick that goes into the wall. We've got a bag of a bunch of extra parts and some of the things like the orifice hook, sliding hooks. In this bag we've got the spin card, the manual, and the reducer. Then we'll have 2 bags of bobbins. Each bag should have 3 bobbins. So we've got all that. And then in the bottom is the electric eel wheel fold itself right here.